What's up? It's your boy Pope. We are back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode, we have Cyber Judge. We are looking for the Iron Crowns EX, Iron Leaves EX, or the Iron Boulder EX. We got 3 packs today. We're going to rip, see what we can get. Mr. Mime. And we got a hollow. Pack number 2.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Pack number 3. Full Scyther. Nothing but a hollow this time. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.